The young lady, who was turned away from at least 3 hospitals in the corporate area amidst COVID-19 fears, dies hours after giving birth.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Reports are that 23-year-old JODIAN FEARON, an employee of the Passport Immigration and Citizenship Agency and a recent graduate of the University of the West Indies, turned up at the Andrews Memorial Hospital about 5 p.m. on the day in question to deliver her baby, having been registered there in advance. About 2 hours later, while being attended to by medical staff, the patient had flu-like symptoms similar to signs of the coronavirus. According to Fearon's gynecologist, Dr. Lloyd Golson, she was told that she could not remain at the hospital because they lacked the equipment needed to treat her if her medical condition worsened. Dr. Golson told reporters that while she was on the ward, she was short of breath and complained that she had been having difficulties breathing for approximately 3 days. The doctor said she had not been to work for the past 2 weeks. However, despite no tests being done, Andrews Memorial Hospital decided that she should be transferred to the University Hospital of the West Indies. The transfer to the University Hospital did not happen, and from all accounts, no other public hospital in the corporate area was willing to accept her. According to Dr. Golson, the University Hospital of the West Indies said they were unable to accept the patient, while the Victoria Jubilee said they had no accommodation, and they should try to take her back the following day if a patient was discharged. Dr. Golson said a senior personnel at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital explained that they refused to take Fearon because the high dependency ward was full. He said he was also told that they were still waiting on some COVID-19 test results that were outstanding for over a week. The doctor said her condition worsened overnight and she had to be given oxygen. Early Friday morning, the doctor said he again called the University Hospital of the West Indies to get JODIAN admitted, but he was not able to convince them. He said the University Hospital refused to accept her. He further stated that the intensive care unit said they would take her, but the maternity unit would not take her, and the Victoria Jubilee Hospital said all their beds were taken. The doctor said Fearon looked like she was going to die, so they had to take her somewhere. A relative of the patient said her family was astonished at the runaround they received from the hospitals. The Spanish Town Hospital came to JODIAN's rescue and she was rushed there. But the hospital was not ready to receive a possible COVID-19 case. As for over an hour, Fearon waited in distress in the ambulance, while hospital staff completed the area they were preparing to receive her. After finally giving birth, a relative told reporters that JODIAN was not doing well and had to be transferred to the University Hospital for further care. A COVID-19 test was also administered. News unfortunately broke on Saturday that Miss Fearon died at the University Hospital and that her COVID test results came back negative. Her child is believed to be in stable condition. News of JODIAN's passing have been met with anger by family members, friends, and many others who have been venting on social media. Meanwhile, the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopher Tufton, addressed the unfortunate development via a video posted on his Twitter page.
Many of you would have heard of the untimely passing of a young woman who had her baby at the Spanish Town Hospital, having spent some time at the Andrews Memorial Hospital, and after giving birth, ended up at the University Hospital of the West Indies. There are a lot of stories going around as to what led to her untimely passing. Firstly, I want to express my deepest condolences and regret at her passing, to her family members, to her friends, and indeed to all of Jamaica. I have asked for a thorough investigation to take place, and as soon as the results are available, which I hope will be very soon, we will make the information public. In the meantime, we will give whatever support is necessary to the newborn child, who I understand is stable and in hospital, and whatever counseling support we need to give to other family members. I deeply regret this situation, and as soon as the information is available, we will make the information available to the populace. Thank you.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.